Hello. My project is VeilMarkets, and this is like a privacy-first prediction market on Aleo, where you can like create markets, place bets, and do all of that without revealing your identity, your chosen outcome. Because sometimes outcomes of other people can influence decisions when you are looking at somebody's trade. But Aleo solved this, and that's why we're building on Aleo. And so far in this week, I was able to like create a functional UI and integrate the connection of the wallet. I can say I just connected and now I'm using like connect to the puzzle, and that's like connected. So we also have smart contracts that I'm going to like show later. But basically, the idea behind this is using zero knowledge so that you can bet privately. And then when you come and you launch the app, this is what it's going to look like. There are markets that you can like choose from. For example, these are politics, and then you click on it. We'll basically reaching the 100K by the end of Q2, so you can place a private bet. So what we work with are binary because I'm trying to simplify it for now. So it's just like yes and no option. So like choose that, and then we can now like encrypt it and then generate the proof. This is entirely like demo, but eventually in the week two, I'm going to like be working on some of this. So now the bets have been placed successful. And then you can also come here, eventually you see your bets here, and then you see the ones you've won. And then you can also like claim your winnings. And then when you click on claim winnings, for example, you get to claim your value and then it processes and then you can do all of this privately. Nobody has to know where you voted, nobody has to check your address and see where you won and all of that. And then this is the instance of placing the market. I'm just showing you what it looks like. So for example, if I want to like create okay, before I come back to there, these are the docs, just like make it easy for the users. This will be fully functional. And then to create the markets, an example was buzzing. I think Trump is saying something about acquiring greenland. So now I create that as a creator, put a description, put the category, and then create it and put a deadline on it. And basically, when you create it, to see what happens now. Our market is created. So, and then when you view our market, it's supposed to be there eventually. So that's like the whole idea about the front end. So this is just like built with like React and all of that. And now I'm going to like walk through the smart contract. So this is where I deployed from on here. And so this is because I was just like testing each of the contract. I have three contracts basically. So this one here is the I think is the very market token. So on my code on here, I created a new folder and I had like the view markets. I had the view market oracle and I also had the view market token. So basically, the view market, does all of the creation of the market, takes the ID, the title, and the details, and then stores it. Then for the Veil market token or Oracle, now this is just like fetches, when we need to like fetch external data, it handles it, propose a resolution, finalize the proposal, and all of this just work hand in hand for the project to work. And then we have the Veil market token. Basically, this is okay. That's not it. I think the main value is down here. So basically this one just like allows you to like clean your payout, to pay. It's just about everything that deals with the finances and the refund and all of that and the bets. So when I put all the story smart contracts together, I've just really like deploy them on testnet.